Yeah, we got this 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX black. Got the badge with the lighting. Got the lighting package out here. Nice integrated swim platform, Bravo 3 drive, trim tabs. This boat also has the submersible swim step, folds down and out. I'm gonna climb on board and show you some of the features on the inside. As we climb on board here, you'll see the transom shower back here. You can spray your feet off, spray your pets off as you get on and off the boat. Keep the sand, dirt out of the boat. Nice sun lounge back here. You got a stereo control, USB plug there. Got some cooler or storage in the back here. Nice big storage space that goes all the way through here. Flagpole holder. Again, you see the lighting package on this boat. It's pretty neat. Starboard walkthrough. You got the cockpit here. Again, lighting throughout. Captain's chairs, both sides. Dual SIMRAD screen. Digital throttle. Head on this boat. Does have the upgraded sound package. Subwoofer here. Come through the bow, you have a cockpit door. Close that off, close the windshield, and keep the cockpit a little warmer on those cool days. Let's come up front here. We've got the bow filler cushions are sitting here, right in the platform for it, so you can fill this whole bow in with cushions. This is the structure for that. Here on the SLX, kind of a neat feature. This whole seat folds up. You also have a starboard huge storage space under the driver's helm area. Keep your tables in there, keep those cushions in there, whatever you need. There's a ton of space there, and just this whole seat just folds up and out of the way. It's a really nice feature on the SLXs. Sea deck flooring throughout. Table mount back here as well. This boat does not have a tower. It does come with a bimini. SLX by Sea Ray. Come check it out at MarineMax.